Looking to add a data pack to your Minecraft server? You've come to the right place. Here's how. This guide is for Sparked host servers, but it also should work for other providers as well. Check out our playlist on how to make a Minecraft server if you want a step-by-step guide on making a Minecraft server. First, you will want to head on over to the site and go ahead and download your data pack. Once it is finished downloading, you can then go ahead and move the data pack to your world. To do this, you will head on over to the Files tab and then select World. Next, you will go ahead and select Data Packs and go ahead and upload that zip file here. Once this is completed, you will simply then want to go ahead and restart your Minecraft server. Still have questions? Drop a comment below or open a ticket in our billing panel. Let us know if this guide worked for you.